Nothing. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sort the laundry.
Video it?
I'm gonna video sorting the laundry.
You think that's gonna motivate you?
Well, yeah, because I'm being videoed.
I had to delete the video.
You would?
Oops, I gave up 2 seconds in. Let's delete that.
I'm working on my ADHD paralysis. You know, when you don't want to do something, and so then it's hard, and you just look at the whole task, and you're like, I quit.
Well,
And you didn't even start. You just don't do anything.
You gotta make everything harder so it becomes the easiest thing to do.
That is true. You gotta make everything harder so it's the easiest thing to do.
That's the only way I clean it. Right?
Or my way is to totally just create a new task within the task that's all I'm doing. Like how we sort the clothes. Okay, so yeah, that was me and my kid having our little talk about how to handle our ADHD-ness, because we have it. It's just what we do. Anyways, so that's the pile of laundry. I have suffered greatly and have my laundry hack for ADHD paralysis, especially when you have 6 kids. There's 8 of us. For the most part, I have my kids actually take care of their own laundry, but then sometimes they don't. And it gets mixed in, especially shower time and all that. So I was hiding the laundry in like my office, and I had to kick everything out, because what I found was the laundry was not inconvenient enough for the kids. So see, the laundry got shoved into another room. They never saw the laundry, and well, it wasn't a problem. On the couch, it's a problem. Yeah, there's 8 of us, and there's only 1 couch to sit on, not 2 couches. So it becomes a problem. And the inconvenience of it motivates them. It's the external accountability, because our executive function kind of doesn't work. So I am going to show you the best hack I've ever had for just dealing with laundry and taking the pile and making it manageable. Okay, it's kind of magic for me, because this is how I handle things, and I don't deal with the sorting. It's a really basic way, and when you see it, you're gonna be like, oh. So here's the laundry in its full glory. You can see it's trickled down to the floor, and of course, my space is clean. So here we go. All right, so what you're gonna see here is I'm just generally just picking up everything off the table so I have a space to work, and put that away. I don't know what I'm doing here now. Oh, gotta find the old flip phone, pick up the remotes, and I kind of start making a pile. You're gonna see I don't even keep it in this direction. So the very first thing I like to do is go after the towels. Why? The towels take up the most space in the laundry pile. So I always feel like if I get the towels done and get them kind of piled up, it just makes it so easy to feel like I've already done something. All right, and if you notice, I kind of do this triple fold, because then I do a triple fold and it's done. So I found a spot for the jeans. Of course, going through all the jeans, you notice I'm not even picking up whose they are. I don't care. I just make a pile. I probably am like, I don't even know where to begin. So one of the things you're going to notice when I do the shirts is I do that like flip out. Like I kind of do it with everything, don't I? And what I'm just doing is getting like most of the wrinkles out. So what happens is they stack up and pile. They will start kind of pushing the wrinkles out. It's not perfect. I mean, I didn't take an iron. Uh-oh, the shirt. I didn't want to get rid of that shirt. Both my boys have worn that shirt. I'm not even sure if I'm going to get rid of it. I'm probably going to pull it back out. I'm going to be honest with you. It's kind of what I do. I hope you like the music. I kind of want to get it jiving. Ooh, look, I'm jiving. Getting a little dance going on. I think I was listening to like an all 80s mix going on. I do take the time to kind of put the shirts right side out, because otherwise that creates a whole nother ADHD paralysis that I can't totally handle. But flipping the shirts out. Oh, there's the baby dinosaur. The baby dragon, I mean. If you'll hear, I'll talk about that later, the baby dragon. More towels. Just sorting through. Sometimes it's the little things that drive me nuts that I have the hardest time with. So like the underwear, the socks, those I despise the most. See? Flipping the sweatshirt inside out, making a pile for sweatshirts now. Yep, still sorting. I don't know what I just found. I found something. More shirts. Shirts are the easiest to me. I like the shirts and the towels. but you got to sort through everything. And I feel like I'm almost transferring everything over to the other couch, which I kind of am. But in the end, it works. Doing just what works. I love that ramen noodle shirt. Oh, so I'm throwing like the shirts you hang up to one side because then you just have to grab a couple hangers. Folding the blanket. This is not even a clean blanket. No, not that it's not clean. It's just, it was the couch blanket. So I do fold the tablecloth just because it's too much in the way unfolded. It's one of those huge things. Trying to figure weird things out. That was a golf towel. More shirts. More pants. So much clothes. Trying to be kind of inconspicuous, like get all the kids' underwear and stuff without being like, here's everybody's underwear. You know, the things we share when we show us doing laundry. Oh, garbage bag. The infamous garbage bag. So I do try to keep a garbage bag when I'm going through clothes to kind of check on sizes. I've not been doing a good job. I'm about to find a mysterious thing. Oh, get my dance on. Get my dance on. That's me. Get my dance on. Trying to entertain myself so I don't go into paralysis, because I think I'm at the point where I really don't want to do this anymore. So I'm going to think about dancing as I do it. More towels. Look how small it gets just getting rid of the towels. Oh, I tried to do the disappearing sheet trick that they do to dogs, but it didn't work. Just getting the towels and the tablecloths out of the pile just makes things... Oh, look, see? I already had another garbage bag going and I couldn't find it because it was in the pile of laundry. Imagine that. So now I'm just getting everything into the basket so it feels more contained. More toys, of course. More toys that I could put up. And if you've seen those Osmos things, they're not cheap at all. Finding any loose socks and underwear in the couch, because that's what we do. Gotta turn the fan on. I'm getting hot. Killing me here. All right, here we go. More shirts. Oh, now I can feel like I'm getting through the basket. See, this is where I'm starting to just like, I'm done. Like literally it took me 25 minutes to do this task of sorting the laundry, and it made a huge difference that night. They put stuff away. Trying to dance myself through the work. Pajamas, aprons, towels. This is the vein of my existence. That basket now has become the vein of my existence because it's little things. And I don't know for you, but with the paralysis, oh, I'm going to dance with the costume. Yep, entertaining myself to all ends. But when you get into like the basket of the tiny little things, it's just overwhelming for me. There's so many choices. There's so many decisions. And sometimes my ADHD paralysis is the task of all the decisions. So now I'm to the point I have to move the basket closer to the one pile. Ooh, if you like this is a really cool pillowcase I did. I can do a sew along with that if you want. Oh, my favorite shirt. Look, Mama knows best, babe. That's right, Mama knows best. Anyways, so I'm just trying to get it shorter so I have less time to think. Oh, I'm going to pick up all the little things. I'm kind of feeling accomplished, even though I'm not going to finish the whole task. But it's not my task to do, and I'm going to tell you all about that here in a second. So let's just enjoy the last bits. So this is where I quit. This is actually where I stop in the whole laundry sorting thing. Because in the end, I have a kid with laundry duty, and it's not my job. But I know that they have paralysis. I know I have ADHD paralysis. And this is what I do for them. And let me show you my piles. Because I piled everything up. It already feels a lot better. It feels a work in progress. And I'll be honest, I'll probably go and put the easy stuff away because I like to do that. And I'll go through my clothes. So here are the piles. Okay, so there's my after. So obviously there's now stuff on this couch. This looks like a mess, but it's not. Obviously it's underwear. Yeah, so I have a little sock basket going on here. These are all the towels. These are all the shirts. You notice I didn't put a single one in size order. And what will start to happen is they'll start to actually kind of wrinkle less. So that's the baby dragon. If you ever watched How to Train Your Dragon, second part, you know that you can't train baby dragons. So that's my baby dragon's pile. She kind of has her own pile because I know she's not going to pick through. I have the kitchen towels. I have socks, underwear, bathing suits, costumes. This is the hang-up shirts. These are jackets. Weird miscellaneous, a golf towel, 2 bandanas, shorts, special sock pile. Why? Because my oldest with her heart issues has to wear compression socks. They are stinking cute, even if they're all inside out. They're not the weird ugly ones, but see. Anyway, I keep hers separate because I don't want anybody to swipe them because they're cute. I have my pillowcases, my long johns, and PJs. Look, if you caught my whole paralysis with a garbage can, there's a toilet paper roll. Figures, I'm going to put that in the garbage. Keep it in my hand, put it in the garbage. So I definitely need to vacuum my couch out now. There's all the jeans and pants. So what will typically happen is I will call the kids and I will do the shirts. And I will say, come here and get your shirts. And I will line them up and I go through the shirts. And then I'll just tell them to go through the piles and grab their clothes. And at the end, the pile should be down to nothing or gone. But most likely there's something there. And then we can decide, do they need to go in the giveaway pile? So as you've seen, I had 2 giveaway bags going because I lost the one in the couch clothes more. So, have you thought about doing something like this before? This helps me. This, I don't know what it is, but just the fact that this is all I'm doing. You know, I did that much. I probably will put the towels away because that's easy. And I'm going to go grab my clothes out of here and put them in my basket. But the rest is just the kids, and my couches are back to being able to sit on. And their ADHD paralysis are kind of helped to get through a little bit further. And you did see I found toys, drives me nuts. But now I can actually go and vacuum that couch. I got that one done, but now I can pull all the things out and vacuum that. So see, like I'm helping myself out, but I'm not gonna do that today. So anyways, I hope this helps. Sometimes I like to watch other people clean their house because that's what gets me through my ADHD paralysis. Honestly, it helps so much because one of my favorite ones, and I'm going to tell you some of my favorite people to watch, is Jay Morrell. If I am not in the mood to be in the kitchen, I will go watch some Jay Morrell. And Jay Morrell gets doing her big large family table food, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not making that much. I can get up and get something done. My favorites for gardening, I've really got to get onto gardening, is watching David the Good or any of Paul Gaugy's on Back to Eden Gardening. I like to watch them. What is it? I'm not a perfect house cleaner. I'm not whatever, something where she goes in and does free cleans for people who have hoarding issues and health issues. I love watching her. I do. That's like some of you, if you've been watching some of the stuff about ADHD paralysis, you just kind of freeze. And sometimes it's mental, sometimes it's physical, and you can't. I've heard about counting 5 back, and sometimes I'm just in this scroll and I'm not getting things done. And then I don't feel productive. And when I don't feel productive, it really starts triggering depression issues for me. And some of that's the reason why I haven't made videos for a long time, because I just didn't even know how to share. Because I was stuck in ADHD paralysis. I can't even say it today. And just kind of needing help. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I know that watching other people clean and other people get motivated around their house and getting things done helps me. And if this helps you, then we're doing the thing that we do as a community and we help each other on it. But until next time, I will talk to you later. If you like these ADHD paralysis videos, let me know. I'm constantly, I'll give you a little preview. I'm constantly fighting the issue, and like one of them is that one right here. Just stuff came in the house from the hurricanes and it hasn't come out, and this is the only designated spot for a Christmas tree this year, and there is no Christmas tree until this gets done. So that's probably going to be my next ADHD paralysis